Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share an app called FEN. It uses AI to recognize chess positions from PDF books and turn them into interactive boards. Let me show you how it works. First, choose a chess book PDF and add it to the app. Any chess book works. As long as it contains diagrams, the app can recognize them. Next, go to a page with chess positions. As you can see, the app has detected 4 positions on this page. Each position is highlighted with a green box, along with a controller icon. Tap the icon to enter the practice page. Make your moves and tap complete when you finish. That's it. If you're not sure how to solve the position, you can also open it in Lichess and let the engine show you the best moves. After completing a puzzle, tap the Complete button. The app will save your progress. In guest mode, progress isn't saved. Free users can save records locally, while subscribers can sync their progress to the cloud. Let me show you what it looks like. Once a position is completed, the controller icon will turn green, so you can easily track what you've already practiced. You can also view all your progress later in the practice history page. And go to the review page to see your moves. That is all for today. See you in the next video. Enjoy!